Okay, welcome to Exhibit today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon, live here at the World Trade Center for the Ice Jig 2025. First edition po ito. At syempre, usapang ice cream, hindi po pwedeng mawala. Isa po sa mahusay at magaling na kumpanya, ang Cold Fox. At kasama po natin ang kanilang owner and founder, Mr. Vincent L. Fideles. Magandang araw, sir.
Hi. Hi, everyone.
Alright, so it's an honor na maging guest po kayo sa show namin. Sir, let's talk about Cold Fox. Kailan po siya nag-start sa Pilipinas?
So, I've been in the ice cream industry for the past, since 2012.
Medyo matagal-tagal na rin, no?
Medyo matagal na. Tapos, coffee and ice cream industry. So, nag-start kami in 2012. Yung binukas namin na store is called Afters.
Called
Sa
Afters.
may kami, Tomas Morato.
Okay.
Tapos, fast forward to 2023, nagbukas kami ng bagong brand, which is Cold Fox. So, ang difference ni Cold Fox and Afters is, si Afters kasi is dessert cafe siya. So, dine-in, ganun yung concept niya. Tapos, si Cold Fox naman is more on Gen Z na retail. Kaya nga, yung branding may kita ninyo is orange, blue, tapos may pink pa. So, if you go...
Parang Gen Z kid dati yun, no?
At saka if you go to our store sa may San Juan and sa Podium, SM Podium, may kita ninyo na very colorful siya.
Wow, so... mostly mga naging ano nyo sa target market nyo, ano po yung mga naging target market?
Ang ano kasi, for Cold Fox, ang target talaga namin is mga Gen Z.
Gen Z.
So medyo on the, yung pricing namin is on the higher end.
Opo.
So actually ang goal namin is to become the Ben & Jerry's of Asia.
Wow.
So actually na-feature na kami sa sa Inquirer.
Okay.
Na yun yung description na Ben & Jerry's of Asia.
And I agree with that.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, sir, mostly, ito pong inyong Cold Fox, matatagpuan po ito sa nasabi niyo pong mga lugar. But, are you open also for the franchise or exhibitors, gano'n?
Yes, in the future, we'll do franchising, but kailangan muna namin ayusin lahat ng systems.
Yes, yes.
Para definitely ready na for franchise siya.
Wow.
Kasi actually, yung first business ko was 2008, nag-franchise ako na Zagu.
Yes.
So I'm very familiar with the franchise model.
System.
Yes, and yung mga intricacies na kailangan. And syempre, you have to make it very turnkey for everyone.
So yan, ready na sila, no? So ngayon po, nagpe-penetrate na po nga siya, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and malapit na po yun, mag-open po sila for franchise. Right? So,
Yes.
But the most important, they value their money.
Yes.
Mabilis ang ROI kasi kilala po ang Cold Fox.
Oo. Tsaka importante na, syempre, kaya magpapasok siya sa franchise mo is mag-make ng money din sila.
Yes. Okay, sir, what can you say? Mag-intriga tayo ng konti. What is the advantage of your product to the other ice cream?
Ang advantage namin, in my opinion, is the taste.
The taste?
And the ingredients.
The ingredient?
So, we try to make everything from scratch.
Wow.
So, all of the flavors. Kaya nga, we're also here in Ice Jacks to sell yung mga ingredients na ginagawa namin and also to market it. And we're also trying to supply mga ibang shops as well. So, kahit competitor, try namin sila i-supply.
Oo nga.
Kasi ano pa rin yan eh. Pera pa rin siya.
Pera pa rin yan, usapan pa rin yan.
Yeah.
Yun ang kagandahan sa inyo, lahat pwede.
Yes.
Basta
based on experience
basta
nga.
business, no?
Yeah, oo. Saka nadaanan namin yung pandemic eh.
Nakaligtas tayo ron.
Doon kami nagkaroon ng logistical problems. Kaya nag-start na kami na gumagawa ng ingredients kasi nga, nung pandemic, nagkaroon with the importation, sa mga ports, congestion. So, doon kami nagka-problema. Tapos napilitan kami na gumawa na lang sarili para at least kung may nangyari ulit ganun, wala nang problema.
So, naging blessing yung na pala.
Blessing in disguise na siya.
Okay, so meron ba kayong website o telepono na pwedeng kontakin kayo, sir?
Ang website po namin is www.coldfox.com.
Wow. So, meron pa tayo hanggang bukas, tama?
Yes.
So, tomorrow, imbitahan niyo po sila, sir? Do the honor.
I'm inviting everyone to go to Ice Jacks and to see our booth, Cold Fox, and to try all of our flavors.
Okay, sir, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon, ay nagpapasalamat po tayo sa ating major sponsor, ang Cat Unlimited, ang organizer po nitong Ice Jack na ito. Ang Binyo Design, Swedish Design, BSC ay gumawa po ng mga booth dito po sa World Trade Center. Kasama Executive Director Mr. Rick Angeles. Ito po si Falcon, sasabing God bless you.